How to view locked chats on WhatsApp. Hello everyone, welcome back to another quick tutorial video. Today I'm going to show you guys how you can easily view your locked chats on WhatsApp. WhatsApp has this features where it allows you to lock any of your private chats and won't let anyone else see it. But before we begin, make sure to head down below to give this video a quick thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel as well. Alright, let's begin. So the first thing that you want to do is open up your WhatsApp, and this will be your normal homepage or your inbox where you will see all of your messages. So in order to access your locked chats, here you have different categories on the top, and no matter where you are, if you have locked any of your chats, this locked chat section will be right here. So you just have to tap on it, and here it will ask you to enter your biometrics. So if you have set your fingerprint or a face ID, then you will have to provide that. If not, you can enter your phone's or your WhatsApp's PIN. I'm just gonna enter my fingerprint right now. So once I use my fingerprint, as you can see, the chat has been unlocked, and here is my locked chat, and now I can continue to chat with this person. So that's pretty much it for today's video. I will see you guys on the next one.